In the depths of space, there exists a force so powerful, it swallows light itself, the black hole. Born from dying stars, black holes bend time, twist space, and guard the secrets of the universe. A single black hole can devour entire stars, growing endlessly in its hunger. At its heart lies the event horizon, a point of no return where even the laws of physics collapse.